It was amazing to walk the space and be able to talk to scholars. It was heartfelt to hear their confidence, to feel what they were able to do in just 24 hours. I think for me, being able to listen to the fact that they felt that they could create business plans, that they could create websites based on their passions.
One of the things that I'm excited about is the fact that our students have access to this high-powered tools that allow them to use their creativity, their imagination, and innovation in a safe and exciting learning environment.
I think it's the opportunity for our students to transform their thinking, to transform their possibilities, to be at the forefront of this cutting-edge technology, for our students to really be immersed in AI and just creating a better future for our students is what I'm most excited about.
So I think it's all about problem solving. My students, when they were using the platforms and using the different games, they use AI to kind of guide them as a thought partner, and the creativity is just magnificent.
I'm excited to have the resources to be able to have the students express what's in their head.
So the fact that we get to work with HP, Microsoft, and Intel is what really unlocks the potential of a program like this. We get to make sure that we have access to high-powered technology that's running the latest and greatest hardware and software, and it ensures that teachers and students have everything they need to create and learn. I think one of the amazing things about Ypsilanti Community Schools is the fact that they are leading, but they're leading by learning. One of the things that I love about working with a district like this is that they are doing new and innovative things, but they are also constantly taking an approach that they have more to learn and that they have more to do.
I just think AI allows an opportunity for young people to really get immersed in experiences. This is a space for creation. This is a space for me to come in and, explore possibilities.
At the end of the day, that's what we do this for. This is to empower scholars, to make them feel that they can, to make them feel that they're able to access these STEM type of roles that maybe they might not see themselves in. And so it's so powerful to put in front of them the technologies and give them access. This can create curiosity, create wonder, create the right level of inquiry that allows them to see their potential.